pause for a second, look at your current skills, everything you know, everything you're learning right now. Now ask yourself, will this still make you money in 2026? Because here's the uncomfortable truth. AI isn't just changing jobs, it's deciding which skills survive and which become useless. And most people won't realize it until it's too late. But a small group of people, right now, are quietly shifting. They're learning the right skills, positioning themselves early, and building income streams powered by AI. And they're not special, they just moved before everyone else. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 AI careers to start in 2026. And if you stay till the end, you might completely rethink your future, because one of these careers could become your unfair advantage. Number 1, AI content creators. Content is everywhere, but attention is rare, and AI has just made content creation 10 times faster. We're talking YouTube automation, faceless channels, and viral short-form videos, all powered by AI. But here's something real. There's a guy named Alex, just a normal college student in the US, with no fancy setup and no big following. He started a faceless YouTube channel using AI tool. At first, he barely got any views, but within 6 months he scaled to multiple channels, automated most of his workflow, and started making consistent income online, not because he worked harder, but because he used AI smarter. Meanwhile, someone else is still editing their first video for 3 days straight. The real skill here is understanding what works, using AI to execute faster, and staying consistent. But here's the catch. Creating content gives you reach, but controlling systems gives you leverage. Number 2, AI automation specialist. Every business today has one big problem: too much repetitive work. Emails, customer support, and data handling are slowing them down, and they're tired of it. So they're looking for people who can say, I can automate this using AI. That's where you come in. AI automation specialists build workflows, connect tools, and eliminate manual tasks. If you can save a company time, you make them money. And if you make them money, they'll pay you more than a regular job ever will. Be honest, would you rather trade time for money forever, or build systems that pay you repeatedly? But even automation has limits. It depends on how well you communicate with AI, which brings us to the next skill. Number 3, AI prompt engineer. At first glance, it sounds simple, typing instructions. But in reality, this is one of the most powerful skills right now. AI doesn't think, it responds, and the quality of that response depends on you. A beginner types something vague, like write something good, while a professional creates structured prompts that generate real results. That's the difference between wasting time and creating value. Some people even blame AI for bad results. But in reality, the problem is unclear thinking. Prompt engineers build systems, sell templates, and create scalable outputs. But there's still a limitation. You're using someone else's tool. So what if you became the one who builds them? Number 4, AI tool builder. This is where things change. From user to creator, AI tool builders create apps, build chatbot, and launch micro SaaS product. And the surprising part is, you don't need to be a coding genius anymore. With no-code and low-code tools, almost anyone can start building. Imagine creating a tool once and having people subscribe to it every month. That's not just income, that's leverage. This is where people move from making money to building asset. But even this isn't the final level, because tools don't sell themselves. People do. Number 5, AI personal brand strategist. In a world full of AI, human connection becomes more valuable than ever. Everyone can create content now, but not everyone can stand out, build trust, and capture attention. That's where AI personal brand strategists dominate. They help creators grow faster, businesses scale visibility, and individuals turn attention into income. The real power is that they combine everything: content, automation, prompting, and tools into one system. This isn't just a career, it's influence and income combined. Now pause again and think. What skills do you have right now? Are they future-proof, or are they slowly becoming irrelevant? This decision is personal, and no one else is going to make it for you. You can keep doing what feels comfortable, or you can step into something that actually has a future. Because AI doesn't wait, and neither should you. But don't just watch this and move on. If you really want to take action, you need to know which tools to learn and which jobs to avoid. So click on one of these videos on your screen right now. 5 AI tools you must learn before 2026, and Top 5 jobs AI is replacing in 2026. One shows you how to win, and the other shows you what to escape. And remember, the future waits for no one. What will you choose?